Hey Vibes fam, howdy do? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing amazing. On today's menu we have some honey garlic glazed chicken thighs. And here are the ingredients that I will be using today. So I went ahead and I seasoned my chicken with the regular seasoning. And guys, because you will be using a good amount of soy sauce, if your seasoning already has salt in it, I'd say don't season your chicken with any salt at all. Right, so pour some oil in your frying pan, just enough to fry the chicken in. Place your chicken in. If you have skin on your chicken, then it is skin side down first, because the aim is to get it crispy. But I don't have any skin on mine, but of course this still applies and I'm still doing it that way. So now that they are brown, I'm going to flip them on the other side so as to get that side brown too. So this is what they be looking like. So while browning a guan, let us blend up some seasonings to add to the chicken. So I'ma add some thyme, 2 stalks of scallion, and guys, these are all washed. I did 2 bulbs of garlic, a piece of ginger. Yes, so 2 bulbs, and that's the piece of ginger. Some scotch bonnet pepper, 1 onion, some green sweet pepper, red sweet pepper, yellow sweet pepper, of course, a tablespoon of olive oil, and some pimento seed. Cover and blend up till it's nice and smooth. The smell, oh my guys, the smell is amazing. So here is my chicken stock. I'm going to prepare it. This one requires 500 ml of hot water, so I'm going to put it in the hot water. So let's check on the chicken. I'm adding 2.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, yes, and 2 tablespoons of the blended seasoning. And I'm going to combine them and try to somewhat evenly distribute it. But yeah, make it go and fry up. And you're not gonna do it for long, maybe like fry it for about 2 minutes or so, and I weed that. So now let's finish up with the stock. Mix it up until it's all good and done, and then I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of the chicken stock. Don't pour it on the chicken, by the way, pour it around like the sides, because we need the chicken to stay crispy for as long as we can. So now let's work on our glazed. And I'm going to add 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of soy sauce, and half cup of ketchup. So now we put it on low flame and stir it until it's all combined. And we're going to bring this thing to a boil. And by the way, taste it and see if you want anything else. If you want more honey in there or so. But be sure to taste it. So yep, bring it to a boil. Let it get to a bubbling state. Bubble up pot, bubble up honey, bubble up. Okay, so now we're going to add some of the deliciousness to the chicken. Again, pour it around the chicken. All right, pour it around the chicken and immediately leave back some of it for add to some other meat I have. It was amazing. Yes, 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 and yes. So yeah, let's combine it with the other ingredients in the frying pan. So try and just mix it up. Yeah, push the chicken out of the way. As I say, as long as you can leave the chicken them without the sauce going on it, just try do as I do, because we are cooking this chicken together. Yes. Bubble up pot, bubble up. So let this boil for about 2 minutes. Bring it to a boil until it kind of thickens a bit, just a bit. And guys, if you could smell this thing, oh my goodness, no. Listen, other than visuals, we need smell wells. Trust me, we need to smell this thing. It smells amazing. Well, guess what? I'm not gonna smell it because I'm not gonna make it. You are gonna make it. So now let's pour this delicious sauce on the chicken. So I'm spooning it up with my big spoon. Yes. And pouring it all over it. So good. That looks so good. That looks, oh, look at that. Tell me, say, you know, I'm biting a piece of that. Look. So now you can turn off the fire. And guys, here we have it. Some honey garlic glazed chicken thighs. Yes. And this is what I had it with. So simple, guys. The chicken was everything. Me say everything. It was everything. I mean, the flavors were just bursting. It was like fireworks in my mouth. So good. And rather easy too, I must say. Very easy. Guys, just remember, don't add a bag of salt to your chicken when you're seasoning it, because the soy sauce, it has a lot of salt already, right? So you don't need it. But especially if your seasoning already has salt in it, for sure, don't add any. But guys, please try this recipe. You won't regret it. Vibes fam, thanks so much for the support and thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you so much. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and new watchers, please subscribe. Please go follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you.